This video, we're going to be having a look at some of these NFTs right here, the play to earn games. We're going to be having a look at not dive into the chart, but I want to talk about actually Decentraland and SANDBOX right here. So these are two NFT games, metaverse games that Decentraland, I mean, just by the name, you guys understand what it is. You buy a land on NFT on OpenSea as an NFT, and then you could play it, buy it, sell it, hold it, whatever you want to do with it on Decentraland game. I'm not going to be diving into this right here. Sandbox is almost the same. It's like buying properties. These two are up ever since Facebook announced the whole. They changed their name to Meta, which stands for Metaverse. I mean, this whole thing has been exploding. Decentraland up 114% in the past 24 hours, and Sandbox 47%, 126% in the past 7 days, and 343%. Now, Decentraland does have a market cap of $6.5 billion, which is insane, and Sandbox $1.6 billion. So these NFTs are booming. We're also going to be having a look at Bitcoin as well, because Bitcoin is king, as we know. So as you guys can see right here on the right side of my screen, the whole market. I mean, we got Shiba, whatever you guys want to call it, FTM, not FTM, Sol, Binance, Seller, ETH. Everything is crashing, and that's mainly because of Bitcoin. I mean, nothing else really. So let's have a TA on Bitcoin. Let's start off with a daily time frame, because daily time frame is probably one of the most important time frames. And as you know, guys, Bitcoin is king. So if we take that away and we take away these exponential moving average, can we be in an Elliott wave pattern on Bitcoin? For those of you guys who don't know what an Elliott wave pattern on Bitcoin is I'm going to explain to you guys right now what it is. Okay, so if I take this right here, it consists of five waves. The Elliott wave pattern consists of 5 waves. Okay, so if I take this right here and I bring it to the top, that's one wave. And usually after that, after a wave, there's a correction. Okay, so this was the correction. 2 waves, 3 waves, okay, 4 waves. Can this be the 4th wave? Okay, and then after that, we usually have a 5th wave, which is not as big. The 3rd wave is usually the biggest one, and then followed by that, we usually have an ABC correction. Okay, so where is it? ABC, Elliott wave correction wave. ABC is we usually have 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, that corrects. Okay, so in my opinion, can this play out? So can we essentially come back down to 57,000? Or maybe this was the bottom right here, but can we essentially consolidate a little bit more before popping to the upside? Yes, that's very, very possible in my opinion. After we reach a 5th wave, which is at around $73,000. A lot of people have been calling $75,000, $70,000. Can we essentially come back and retest? And not only, and this region would be an interesting region. Why? After we retest this level 64,000. Of course, what I'm saying right now is all speculation, but it's interesting because not only this correction will line up with this all-time highs right here, but it would also be a nice support zone. So it would be a new support area or new support region essentially for for Bitcoin. We would have a new base. If we have a look at the RSI right here, RSI is looking nicely. I mean, we are right here at 57, and that would be very, very nice if this does play out in the end. Let's have a look at the exponential moving average as well. I love the EMA ribbons. I mean, these are the regular moving average. These are the regular exponential moving average. Let me pull them out real quick. Boom. So the exponential moving average, as we know, they're very, very strong. They show a lot of momentum. And can we essentially come back and see and retest that 20 exponential moving average? That is very, very possible that we do that. Right now, we are in a slight downtrend on Bitcoin, but that doesn't matter because on the bigger time frame, the trend is your friend until it bends. As you guys know, nothing too crazy. We are still in a powerful uptrend. If we have a look on the EMA on the 4-hour time frame, I mean, yes, we did get rejected right here by this trend line. The bad thing is that we are below the 4-hour exponential moving average, which is on the shorter term. We're most likely going to come back and retest this level right here. Yes, altcoins might bleed. Perhaps we're on a triangle. I don't think so, but that's that on the shorter time frame. Now let's go on the even shorter time frame. Nothing too crazy. Also, I mean, we are below the exponential moving average. If we manage to break above this trend line right here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is what probably 61,000. So if we manage to break 62,000 and close above it, that would be very, very bullish for Bitcoin. Of course, guys, if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.